हेलो दोस्तों, फ्लाइट वाइजली आपके लिए पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी कंसेप्ट्स एंड डिबेट्स का सेकंड क्वेश्चन लेके आ चुका है असाइनमेंट का। आज हमारा ये असाइनमेंट भी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। तो जल्द से जल्द वीडियोस को अपडेट के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें। और अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा क्वेश्चन। तो हमारा क्वेश्चन हमने चूज़ किया है, व्हाट आर राइट्स, डिस्क्राइब वेरियस डायमेंशंस ऑफ राइट्स। Answer. Rights are legal, social, or ethical principles of freedom or entitlement. Rights are the fundamental normative rules about what is allowed of people or owed to people according to some legal system, social convention, or ethical theory. Rights are of essential importance in such disciplines as law and ethics, especially theories of justice and deontology. Rights are often considered fundamental to civilization, for they are regarded as established pillars of society and culture, and the history of social conflicts can be found in the history of each right and its development. According to the Stanford Encyclopedia of Philosophy, rights structure the forms of governments, the content of laws, and the shape of morality as it is currently perceived. Rights arise from society from specific social conditions, and that is why rights are always social. Rights means the rights of individuals, they only belong to individuals, they exist only for individuals, they are treated by them so that they can fully develop their personal identities. When we talk of the interrelation of the individual and the state, then two things emerge. First, what should the person get from the state? It is his right. Second, what should the person do for the state? These are duties. In short, rights are the favorable conditions and opportunities a person receives under the state which help him in self-development. According to Harold J. Lasky, rights are the conditions of social life without which one cannot normally hope for complete self-development. Since 1960, the civil rights movement adopted rights as a major pillar for the reconstruction of society. In recent contemporary debate, issues related to women and disadvantaged minorities have come to the central stage. Even now, the question of the right to death by will of our own is hotly discussed. Similarly, in present sexual minority LGBT, the issue of community rights has added a new dimension to the rights of minorities. Today, on the central stage of the discussion of rights, there are discussions related to human rights. The discussion concerning rights has become so fascinating in the present society that the language of rights has become the most powerful language for moral change, not only in the present but also in the near future. Certain general conclusions regarding the nature of rights are: first, the rights are the demands of the individual from the society which are secured by law, and they are the conditions of the development of personality. Second, state is the immediate source of rights. Thus, rights are derived from two sources: from the individual personality and the quality of being a condition of its development, the state and its law, and the quality of being secured and guaranteed by the action of law. Third, rights are given equally to all individuals in the society, whereas privileges are limited to a particular group, class, or section of the society. Rights are given to all irrespective of birth, caste, color, economic status, religion, etc. Fourth, with the social economic development, new demands of individuals continue to come into existence which struggle for social recognition. Such demands, when recognized by the state, though its law, becomes rights. Various dimensions of rights. First, natural rights. Natural rights are rights which are natural in the sense of not artificial, not man made, as in rights deriving from human nature or from the edicts of a god. They are universal, that is, they apply to all people and do not derive from the laws of any specific society. They exist necessarily, inherent in every individual, and can't be taken away. For example, it has been argued that humans have a natural right to life. Hobbes called the natural rights as jus naturalists. These are sometimes called moral rights or inalienable rights. Claim rights. A claim right is a right which entails that another person has a duty to the right holder. Somebody else must do or refrain from doing something to or from the claim holder, such as perform a service or supply a product for him. He has a claim to that service or product. Every claim right entails that some other duty bearer must do some duty for the claim to be satisfied. This duty can be an act or a refrain from acting. In jurisdictions where social welfare services are provided, citizens have legal claim rights to be provided with those services. Third, positive rights. Positive rights are permissions to do things or entitlements to be done. One example of a positive right is the purported right to welfare. Negative rights. Negative are permissions not to do things or entitlements to be left alone. Often the distinction is invoked by libertarians who think of a negative right as an entitlement to non-interference, such as right against being assaulted. Fifth is individual rights. Individual rights are rights held by individual people regardless of their group members or lack thereof. Group rights. Group rights have been argued to exist when a group is seen as more than a mere composite or assembly of separate individuals but an entity in its own rights. It is possible to see a group as a distinct being in and of itself. It is akin to an enlarged individual, a corporate body which has distinct will and power of action and can be thought of as having rights. For example, a platoon of soldiers in combat can be thought of as a distinct group. Civil and political rights. Civil and political rights are a class of rights that protect individuals' freedom from infringement of government, social organizations, and private individuals. They ensure one's entitlement to participate in the civil and political life of society and the state without discrimination. Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are a group of rights that have been recognized by a high degree of protection from encroachment. These rights are specifically identified in a constitution or have been found under due process of law. Fundamental rights are those rights which are essential for intellectual, moral, and spiritual development of citizens of India. There are 6 fundamental rights recognized by the Indian Constitution. First, right to equality, Articles 14 to 18. Second, right to freedom, Articles 19 to 22. Third, right against exploitation, Articles 23 to 24. Right to freedom of religion, Articles 25 to 28. Cultural and educational rights, Articles 29 to 30. Right to constitutional remedies, Article 32 to 35. Ninth is human rights. Human rights are the basic rights and freedoms that belong to every person in the world from birth until death. These basic rights are based on shared values like dignity, fairness, equality, respect, and independence. These values are defined and protected by law. Human rights are rights inherent to all human beings, whatever our nationality, place of residence, sex, national or ethnic origin, color, or caste. Human rights are moral principles or norms that describe certain standards of human behavior and are regularly protected as natural and legal rights in municipal and international law. Human rights exist universally as the highest moral rights, so no rights can be subordinated to another person or an institution. Also, it has been the practice of states to accept it through ratification of international instruments. In other words, they are rights because they are natural or God-given or inherent to humanity. They are so fundamental that there should be no exception to their application. सो गैस यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर ख़त्म होता है। होप सो आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें। यहाँ पे हमारा ये असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट होता है। और याद रखना, असाइनमेंट के सेकंड क्वेश्चन पे आप अपना पेपर कोड और एग्ज़ाम कोड नहीं लिखोगे, नेम एज वेल रोल नंबर, एग्जामिनेशन रोल नंबर प्लस सिग्नेचर एंड पेजेस नंबर आएंगे। तो यहाँ पे हमारा ये असाइनमेंट ख़त्म होता है।